Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best Tineco cordless vacuums you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many Tineco cordless vacuums and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each Tineco cordless vacuums so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a Tineco cordless vacuum. First, think about battery life and charging time, as these determine how long you can clean without interruptions. Next, consider suction power, because stronger suction handles carpets and pet hair more effectively. Also, check the vacuum's weight and design. A lightweight, ergonomic model is easier to carry and store. Look for the right attachments, like crevice tools or brushes, which make cleaning different surfaces more efficient. Pay attention to dustbin capacity and ease of emptying to avoid frequent stops. Finally, evaluate price, warranty, and smart features such as app connectivity or voice control for added convenience. Considering these points will help you choose a model that fits your cleaning style and budget. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews.